guys! So I wanted to show you how I make some of the wet sounds, like hand job sounds, etc. In my audios. And normally I wouldn't be wearing a glove while I was making these sounds. I would just be applying the lube directly to my hand. But I didn't want it to get this hand to get all gross so that I can still use it for editing later. But I'm still going to be using my right hand first. So I like to use Astroglide because it doesn't drip. And you're going to put it all over your hand. Nice big glob, more than you think you're going to need. And then, like I said, normally you'd be doing this on bare skin. And you take your thumb and your fingers and you kind of... Let me get it closer to the mic. Now, because I'm using a glove, you're hearing kind of a rubbery sound in combination with the wet sound. But when you're using just your hand, all you get is that nice squishy fucking sound. Okay? Now, if I wanted to do like a hand job sound, check this out. So you're going to lube up one finger, maybe two, if you want to imply that the cock is big. Okay. Take your other hand and jerk yourself off. Amazing. Now for a blowjob, which I don't think I would ever use like unflavored lube for. You take 2 to 3 fingers. You're gonna stick it in your mouth and, I mean, suck off your fingers. It's pretty straightforward. But yeah, so like, this will make a good sound for fucking, but I prefer this one. Keep your fingers loose so that you don't get like a squeaky sound, because that's not sexy. Yeah, and that's how I make my sound effects. Okay? Bye!